Attorney, anong pwedeng gawin kapag ka may gas station na nagsasabing out of stock daw, pero ang totoo, nag-aabang lang pala talaga ng price hike? Pwede mo yung i-report sa Department of Energy through their online portal of gas station concerns. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Attorney Maf. I'm a full-time litigation lawyer and part-time professor. I simplify legal concepts to help you understand your rights, and I also mentor and guide students through content as they pursue their journey to becoming lawyers. Okay. Ito kasi yan. Kapag may gas station na ayaw magbenta kahit may available stock or kunwari out of stock para lang makapagbenta later at a higher price, that may already be a serious violation of Republic Act 8479. Okay, what is Republic Act 8479? It is a downstream oil industry deregulation act of 1998. The state is supposed to ensure fair prices and adequate and continuous supply of petroleum products in a truly competitive market. The law also prohibits anti-competitive and abusive market conduct in the downstream oil industry. It also empowers the Department of Energy to monitor the industry. So, if may gas station na nagka-create ng artificial shortage or refusing to sell to the public in bad faith para lang makapaghintay ng taas presyo, please report it. Document it. If possible, take photos, take videos. Please note the name of the station, the location, and the time. Because the DOE has specifically asked consumers to report suspected hoarding, refusal to sell, and price manipulation through their government hotline 8888 and the DOE's consumer complaint channels on its website. Okay, gets na? Save this, share this, and report suspicious fuel practices properly para hindi tayo lugi. In this economy, right? Follow for more.